Imagine hosting engaging webinars without the hassle of live sessions. With automated webinar software, you can put your events on autopilot. Simply set it up and reap the results. Automate your webinars to enhance your strategy. Create captivating experiences while saving precious time. This allows you to scale effectively. Managing your automation is straightforward. You can schedule emails and manage webinar starts and video launches with ease. Every day, automated webinars help you hit your goals while minimizing time investment. Our automated tools are designed for optimal efficiency. They allow you to focus on participant satisfaction rather than logistical details. You can set up recurring events effortlessly. Participants can join using a single link, making the experience seamless. Event automation offers a host of features. Control the start and end times, as well as automatically play videos. This creates the live experience your audience craves. Enjoy crystal clear CRM integrations with platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot. Analyze your event's engagement data using powerful built-in reports for effective decision-making. Promote your webinars with customized registration pages. These pages are optimized for conversions and can reflect your brand. Custom fields allow you to collect specific data during registration. Enhance audience engagement with interactive features. Customize your webinar room's design, share files, and use engaging polls to maintain interest and get real-time feedback. Tracking and reporting are easy. You can view all your contacts in one place. Monitor participation rates with comprehensive reports to optimize future events. Automated webinars cater to various needs. Use them for product demos, allowing sales reps to focus on lucrative opportunities. Automate your online courses and customer training to streamline content delivery. The pricing of our automated webinar software is straightforward. Interested in trying Livestorm? Reach out to our sales team or explore our free plan designed for you. Join thousands of organizations that trust Livestorm for seamless online events. Sign up for a free plan today, and see the impact. So, what exactly is an automated webinar? It simulates live events while automating key actions. Setting one up is easy with Livestorm. Create your webinar, set automation rules, and enable all steps for a stress-free experience. Why choose Livestorm? We offer high levels of automation, allowing you to manage every aspect effortlessly. With rave reviews and a satisfaction rating of 4.7 out of 5, you'll be in good hands. Want to know if Livestorm has a free plan? Yes. Sign up for lifetime access and run unlimited webinars, with sessions up to 20 minutes. Transform your webinars today with Livestorm. It's only 3 minutes away from your most engaging meetings. No credit card is required, and there's no software to install. Start exploring our guides for building video engagement today.